How to use WhatsApp for productivity. Now, WhatsApp can be used in various ways as a personal chatting platform with your friends, but you can also use it for productivity purposes. Some of the ways that you can use this is, first of all, you can use it as a digital notepad. So you can create a group just with yourself by tapping the plus icon from the bottom, selecting new group, and adding just yourself over here. So you can just go ahead and then type in your name in this case. And once you've added just yourself, you can hit the arrow button. And then after that, you will be able to create a group just with yourself. And then you can use it as a digital notepad. The second way that you can use it is you can use it for collaborative tasks, such as you can share the task list and to-do list with your group members, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and can track progress as well. You can also use the chat feature to set reminders for yourself or others, ensuring timely completion of tasks. You can also choose to mute notifications. So if you're getting lots of messages from a certain group, let's say for example, you can just tap the three dots option in this case, and you can tap on the more option or mute notifications option to mute the notifications for a group. These are just some of the ways on how you can use WhatsApp for productivity. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.